In this video, I will add from 1 to 1 million elements to the page. I will use Gulp and Pug for adding, GitHub Page as a static hosting service, Webpagetest and PageSpeed Insights for analyzing performance. Our main metrics are speed index, first Contentful Paint, largest Contentful Paint, the total blocking time. I will use those folder for GitHub pages. You need to have your index.html in the root of the project or in the docs folder. Templates. There are just two files, one of them for head information and index.pag for our experiments. Git ignore we use to avoid edit node modules to the repository. Gulp file. There is range function, which I will use for faster way of rendering elements. Main pag handles pag files and watch functions for watching changes. Our first number is 1. Let's push this change and check if it's available. Now let's run our test. First, we will open Webpagetest. These numbers we will use as initial data. Next one, we will open PageSpeed Insights and save initial numbers as well. Let's add 1 0 and push this change. Let's wait a bit for the changes and our page is ready for testing. Now let's run test. According to the numbers, result is the same as before. Let's check PageSpeed desktop and mobile versions as well. All numbers are in a Excel file. As you can see, there are no changes. Let's test 100 elements. Let's wait a bit for the changes. Page is ready, so let's run test. Webpagetest shows almost the same numbers as before, only first and large Contentful paints were increased. PageSpeed shows the same numbers as before. Now the table has this view. It's time to test 1000 elements. Pushing the change, checking if data is available and running test. The web page shows different data for page weight and also first and large Contentful paints were increased. Page speed didn't change numbers for desktop version, but I see some new changes for mobile version. Now the table has one more row. Time to test 10,000 elements. Pushing the change, checking if data is available, and running test. Before I show results, small reminder. Webpagetest uses these settings, while PageSpeed Insights use different settings. Let's take a look at numbers for Webpagetest. All numbers except speed index were increased. Page speed increased all numbers for desktop and mobile versions. It's time to add 100,000 elements. Pushing change. Now let's check if all elements are visible and running test. Webpagetest increased all numbers and the total block time is now red. Page speed also increased all numbers, but the numbers are worse compared to Webpagetest. The mobile version doesn't look perfect. Our table still needs the final data. Let's do it. $1 million. Oops, sorry, it's from another video. 1 million elements. Pushing the change, checking if data is available. As you can see, we have some limitations, and not all elements are visible. Other browsers on my laptop show the same limitation. My second laptop shows another number, a bit less. So showing 1 million elements is not achievable for every laptop. Let's run tests. Webpagetest shows that the main thread is blocked for almost 26 seconds. While PageSpeed doesn't want to show anything, it looks like it's too much for it. Our final table. The result you can see on the screen, with all numbers. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.